Hey guys, welcome back to Outside with Shibe. Went up to where we were splitting the other day and pretty much got everything to fill a truck. There's a little bit left up there that I'm going to leave for my cousin, and there's still some more to cut up there, so maybe I'll go do that Monday. It's Sunday now. You'll see this video on Monday, so that video you'll probably see on Wednesday. So I'm going to see how much actually fits in my truck. I got some marks on the ground. I'll show you here. So yeah, I got some marks that I made today per cord. So this is what it is. Okay, each mark is 4 feet, which is a cord. It's probably just a bit over a cord. So you can see all those orange marks. See where I am here. There's an orange mark there. There's already 2 rows. There's 2 rows there. So I have 2 rows left here. See if I can see how much we can fill between these marks here. All right, guys, I'm going to start stacking, and we'll see what we end up with. All right, guys, I figure I owe you an explanation here. Each of those marks, there's 40 feet in between. Each row is 18 inches wide and 5.5 feet tall. So if you take 6 times 5.5 times 4, you come up with just a bit over 1 cord. Just so that's straight with you guys. And I figure there might be some confusion there, so. that was row 3. I don't know why I didn't tell you there, but that's what that was. Done. There you go. Like 30 minutes to empty the truck. I only got a couple pieces for the stand, but I don't know if you can see, there's an orange line there. So it basically went up on an angle there. And there's the next orange line. So definitely a half a cord. Just a little heaped above the bed. So not bad at all. Well, there you go guys, half a cord. Split and stacked in the back of the truck. You get half a cord. Just heaped slightly up over the bed. So that's all I got for you guys today. So if you like this kind of stuff, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment and tell a friend. And I'll see you guys in the next one.